This is just a quick video showing retrofit reverse camera kit fitted to a 2016-17 B9 Audi A4. Kit seems to be a really nice crisp HD image with moving active lines on the screen. There is a wire that you can actually cut on the wiring harness if you want those dynamic lines to disappear, but I'm quite happy with them. The kit took around an hour to install. Single wire from front to rear running through the tailgate. Comes with a replacement micro switch for the boot, for opening the boot, with an inbuilt camera. A simple remove of the glove box and disconnect the MMI head unit, plug in the new wiring harness, plug the old wiring harness into the new wiring harness, and a small interface box. Very straightforward to install and seems to be really good. Very happy with it for the price. It was priced just under £100. Came from China. If you'd like to know the name of the seller or the contact details, let me know and I can forward those on to you. I'll just get out now and let you have a look at the camera unit itself. You can see the replacement micro switch unit with inbuilt camera, so it looks very good.